Around the end of June 2024, Onpassive experienced a stoppage. In an overt act, those who didn't want Onpassive to succeed tried to make Onpassive go out of business. When Onpassive was rolling and functioning, the first product that came out was called O-Connect. O-Connect is a video conferencing platform. That just shook up every single company that was in the video conferencing industry. So when Onpassive and Mr. Ash Mufare were paying money to service the founders who had purchased the O-Connect package, one time out of pocket, well, the stoppage ended. At that particular time, the use of O-Connect. Those who are in the video conferencing industry knew that Onpassive has the best video conferencing platform ever devised by human hands. They knew the superiority of Onpassive's O-Connect. And when Onpassive was stopped, there was a big sigh of relief that permeated throughout the video conferencing industry. The main competitor, who was about to challenge the #1 video conference platform, had been temporarily closed. When you compare apples to apples, Onpassive's O-Connect is superior to the top video conferencing platform now occupying that industry. Just ask them, and if honest, would tell you. We know who that is. They know. That company, presently #1, knows that there's no way they could be able to compete with Onpassive's O-Connect. The multitude of features that O-Connect has are totally unreal and brilliant, would pose a problem for the #1 company. When you have features that still cannot be duplicated by the top video conferencing platform now. And O-Connect has at least 50 totally revolutionary features, shows you how advanced O-Connect is. If you look at the #1 video conferencing platform, they may have 10 features that they didn't have before. Why couldn't they have 50 more features that O-Connect has? Because they are not as technologically advanced as Onpassive's technology team is. So while Onpassive is preparing to reopen because of what happened in June 2024, and when Onpassive is reopened, guess what? O-Connect will be reopened. Also, O-Tracker and other digital products and solutions on the Onpassive platform, ready to be released to the world. So now the confidence that those other video conferencing platforms have is going to be quickly turned into dismay when Onpassive opens very soon, any day now. And now Onpassive's OES platform languages are over 200 up from the original 20 before the stoppage of Onpassive. That means Onpassive is truly a global company. What they thought would kill Onpassive only made Onpassive stronger.
Wires hum and screens ignite. Voices travel through the night. Signals dance from shore to shore. Onpassive opens every door. Hum and screens ignite. Voices travel through the night. Signals dance from shore to shore. Onpassive opens every door. Halfway round the globe we meet. Click away from lovers sweet. Borders fade and time expands, connected by these magic hands. Shouting loud for all to hear. Onpassive makes it crystal clear. No more distance, big or small. Instant links that never fall. Type in words like shooting stars, bridging gaps no matter how far. Shared laughter and a knowing grin. With the best, we always win. Pixelated dreams in flight. Day and day becomes one night. Onpassive whispers, never shout. Together we find our way out. Shouting loud for all to hear. Onpassive makes it crystal Pixelated dreams in flight. Day and day becomes one night. Onpassive whispers never shout. Together we find